Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while. I know. Sorry. It's been, I don't know, kind of hectic. Not really, I'm just lying. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do this thing that basically, see here, that bothers the crap out of me. And that's one of the bad things about these cars, is that the more you take off the bumper, the more it kind of like opens up a bit. So I went to Subaru and I bought the part, and it only cost me $4.90. So it's not even that expensive. So each side $4.90, so it came out with tax $10 and something. So it's really cheap. So if you guys want to fix that without doing any ghetto stuff that people have been saying, like zip ties or some other stuff, just go to the dealer and just pay $10. So supposedly you don't have to use anything. You don't have to cut any holes. You don't have to do anything like that. So all you have to do is just have a screwdriver, Phillips head, and just screw it on. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start with that. First thing you want to do is actually turn the wheel so that you can have space to take out the bumper. So here is Miku dressed up as Boo. Just a little update. Things I've done to it, but that'll be in a different video. If you want to watch that, and click on the other one that will be after this video. But in the meanwhile, we're just going to talk about this lovely gap that we have. So it doesn't look much, but because Simply Clean is in the weekend, I want to fix that. So you want to take off this, which mine is never like on because obviously, you know, it always comes off. So you're going to take off this. There should be a screw here. It like has like this little, whatchamacallit, it's like you pop it. Basically, I've showed you guys how to take this off with my side marker if you guys haven't seen it. You can also see how to put these on too, which I feel like looks a lot better. So that's what we're gonna do, is take off the bumper. You wanna make sure you take this off. This will all pop out, and then you wanna pop the hood, and then there should be some screws on there too. So, and once again, I'm doing this video by myself, so no one's here to videotape me. So, gotta do them on both sides. Alright, so I actually got to, so what I do here is just so I don't have to go through this whole hassle of like turning this side marker. So with a flathead, you're gonna take out that little clip that's there. So once that comes off, a matter of fact, this one, oh, I was gonna say this one doesn't have one. Just kidding, it does. So once I unclip that, this should go ahead and just pop out of its place. This will yank off. You do have space to do it, but it's better to take it off kind of so you can have more space to take it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and do it. Right here. I just drove it, so it's a bit hot. It's actually really hot. Okay. So what these are gonna be 10s. I think they're 10s. There should be 10s. 10s, and then there is also some clips too that you want to take out. So I'll go ahead and take out the clips first. There should be only these two. Alright, so this is the lovely part that, see, this is where this part goes. The bumper goes here. So it basically, through time, it goes down. So all you need is literally just a Phillips screwdriver, and this will come out, and then we'll put in the new one. So I'll get to that. Alright, now to the driver's side. Let me take out these little plastic clips that are on the bumper. There it goes flying. Just so I can have more space. I'm like scraping the crap out of the tongue. Oh man. Alright. bent it. Why you gotta be so freaking... Sheesh. Alright. Clips. The little stuff is where basically... This is where the little bumper goes in between, like, here. And that's what keeps it. So after through the time, it, like, opens up, I'm guessing, here on the top. And that's basically... Alright, so I'm going to put it on this little hole. I don't think you guys can see it. The little hole I told you about. And then it should clip on. There you go. Look at that beauty. I wish I could just change all of that. Eventually it'll happen. And then just put on the screw. See, I didn't have to do any drilling. Well, if you want to do it faster, you can. But I mean, like, I don't have to do any type of hole or anything. I'm not left-handed. Well, I could use my right. And I didn't have to do no zip tying, all this stuff that people were talking about. No, guys, don't do that. It's a newer car. No need to do all that. They have parts. It's cheap. It's not expensive. All right. Now, we're going to see how this is all going to turn out. All right, we're going to try this. It's not on completely. I just went ahead and just pushed in the bumper. So, oh, okay. All right, let's try this. Yay, look at that beauty. Nice. No hesitation, nothing. Just went right in there. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Beautiful. All right. You saw the process. Here you go. It still has its little gap because that's my bumper. My bumper is kind of broken. But it fixes basically. It's a lot better than what it was. So there you go. Now you guys know. I'll just let you know this is my dad's B210 Datsun, which never drives, but poor thing. It's a classic. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video of me putting on this stuff. As you tell, it's hot out here. So yeah, if you liked the video, or comment below anything else if you have any questions. I did change also another easy installment or anything like that is the cabin air filter, which is so easy. I did it within 5 minutes. So I might do a video on that. Just guys comment below if you want to know how to do that. If you guys don't know how to do that on a BRZ / FRS / 86, same thing. But yeah, comment below and I'll do a video on that too. I mean, even though I already changed it, but I can just show you guys where it's at, how to take it out, where you can find it. It's really easy. So yeah, and check out for the video also of basically a vlog of, you know, of the car and what I've done to it and things that I'm doing here in Orlando. And yeah, so check you guys out next time. Thanks again. Bye.